Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken oil a la Mang Inasal. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of chicken skin and fat, which is the secret to rich flavor. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of annatto seeds to give our oil that signature orange hue. Don't forget 1 cup of your preferred cooking oil and 3 cloves of minced garlic for a wonderful aroma. These few items are all you need to start this delicious journey. Now let's render that chicken fat. Place a pan over medium-low heat. This gentle warmth is key to slowly extracting all the deliciousness without burning. Add your chicken skin and fat to the pan. Let it cook patiently, stirring occasionally until the skin turns beautifully crispy and all the fat has melted into a golden liquid. Once done, carefully remove the crispy chicken bits, leaving behind the precious rendered fat. Next, we'll infuse our oil with color and flavor. To the rendered chicken fat, add the 1/4 cup of annatto seeds. Pour in your 1 cup of cooking oil. Continue cooking over low heat, allowing the annatto seeds to slowly release their vibrant orange color into the oil. Once the oil achieves that beautiful hue, add your 3 cloves of minced garlic. Cook until the garlic is fragrant and lightly golden, but be careful not to burn it. Finally, it's time to finish our chicken oil. Carefully remove the annatto seeds and any garlic bits from the oil. Using a fine mesh sieve, strain the infused chicken oil into a clean bowl to ensure it's smooth and clear. Let the oil cool down completely to room temperature. Once cooled, transfer your homemade chicken oil to an airtight container. It can be stored in the refrigerator for several weeks, ready to elevate your next meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.